This is Remarksable. This is how you feed a family of 4 for just £1.88 a portion using those incredible quality M&S ingredients from the M&S Remarksable range. This is my sticky soy salmon and noodle stir fry. Time to make our stir fry sauce. Got our M&S Scottish salmon, that's an oily fish, it's high in your omega-3s, on with half of our sliced spring onions, and we're going to throw half of our dressing over the top. And the salmon is responsibly sourced, and it also swims in a loch against a strong current, which makes it nice and strong, and that is what makes M&S salmon so amazing. And then on we go with the rest of that dressing, and then we'll just pop it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now it's time to walk and roll. Time to get in those lovely veggies. This is the perfect, quick and easy, tasty midweek meal. And we'll stir fry that for 5 to 7 minutes until that broccoli softens down. Dip a mug carefully into there and just save some of that cooking water. It's going to add to our sauce. And then we're going to lift that beautiful salmon out of the pan. Don't worry if it breaks up, we're going to flake this up anyway. We've got all of that dressing that is reduced down nicely. We're just going to loosen it off with a little bit of that water from the noodles. And now we just need to get those drained noodles into that crunchy green veg. We've got our dressing there, we're just going to add that into the noodles all the way around the wok. And we just knock that off the heat and we're going to flake in that lovely Scottish salmon. Now this really is a Remarksable recipe. It feeds a family of 4 for £1.88 a portion using those incredible quality M&S Remarksable ingredients. I've served it up with a few spring rolls for a proper family feast. I'm going to get stuck into that. I can't wait for you to give that a try at home. And let's not forget, this is Remarksable Value that is here to stay every day at M&S. Here we go. Remarksable.